Ladies and gentlemen, Sebastian Killet is about to continue the future. Hello everyone, it's me Sebastian Killet in 2026 and welcome to my channel. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the content. Alright, good morning everyone. Alright, I have the job for you all today. Thomas, I need you to take some paint to Natford Station from Sudbury to Natford because we needed fresh paint. Gordon, the usual express for you today. Percy, you'll be delivering the mail as you always do because you're a really useful engine by delivering the mail. James, I need you to take some troublesome trucks that needs to be taken from Natford to Tifmouth. And Edward, you'll be off to do your passenger train, even though your motors is, Okay, you better be careful with that paint. It'll get sticky. We get these a lot lately. Good thing you're here. We have some mail. It's a good thing that you brought it in time, Thomas. We have to paint this station from the ground up. Oh, hey, Wilson Controller. How are you doing? Hi, Conductor Dragon. We have a wonderful day at Natford Station today, huh? It's a good thing this paint is here. So, you heard the news? Yeah, I know. Diesel 10 is back. I think he's going to get back at us. Yeah, but who's going to stop him when this engine is around? That's right. Anyway, Thomas, I'll take the paint now. No! Stop! No! No. Oh, God. This is terrible. I have to report the controller about this. Controller Wilson, there's an emergency. Percy has crashed into two vans, really? And now he's derailed at Brendam Docks. I'll send a crane there right away. Thank you. What happened, Controller Wilson? Percy had an accident. We must send a crane there right away. But we don't have any cranes in Trackmaster and Motorized, and all we have is this. Hey, that's all we can think about, okay? And I know someone who can take him there. Good thing Emily's here to help out. Yep. But I must take Thomas somewhere so he can deliver more deliveries. I have another job for him. What's going on? Controller Wilson. Thank God that you're here. This is not my fault, okay? It's just that there were two vans in the way. I don't know how they got there. Percy crashed into them. Hey. I know it's not your fault. It is an accident, okay? It's just that I don't know who did this, but we'll find who did it anyway. Thank God. But who will deliver the mail now? I'll have to send an engine to go get the mail. Toby? Thank God he's the one that we need. He's one of the most favorite characters in Thomas of Friends. Yeah, but let's not get into that now. But the important thing is, we must have a railway to defend and work on. You got it. This railway belongs to us, and we will protect it. Okay, have we even took the long way or the wrong way? Because I don't know where we are right now. Thomas, why have you stopped? Oh, no! Well, it's none other than the controller himself. Fred Boomer, it was you all along. You're destroying the railway and causing accidents. How dare you? How dare me? I'll show ya. I'm going to assemble an army of diesels, and we will take over this railway and become a diesel utopia. I can't believe this. Diesel 10, Diesel. I thought I could trust you two, but I guess I was wrong. Of course. So how about we make a little challenge? Whoever gets the first run from Timoth to Natford wins, and they'll become the most powerful engine in Sodor. What do you say? Fine. I don't have a choice. The deal. Excellent. We start at dawn. Dawn? I don't want to fail on my trains, but I don't have a choice. Come on, Thomas. You gotta go prepared. All controls to everyone. It was Diesel 10, the one responsible for all the accidents, as well as the accident at Brendam. Alright? Over. Well, I had this announcement to everyone. Okay, but Diesel 10 could strike again. Nah, that will never happen.
Controller Wilson, we have a situation. Edward has derailed near a hill, and that's near Timoth. Emily has gotten Rocky to carry him back on the rails, but unfortunately, he's actually hurt and he's going to be taken to the works.
Thanks for telling me, Crocky. Alright, thank you. There's been another accident. Edward has crashed near the hill. It was Diesel 10, it could have. It must have. We must stop him before it's too late. Alright, Gordon. The last passengers have left. Ready to go home? Well then, let's go. Oh no. The race wasn't meant to be here. Oh no. Alright, Thomas. Here we are at Timoth Station. Now all we gotta do is... Oh my god! What happened over there? What's going on? Controller Wilson, it was Diesel 10. He just sent some trucks to be on the line, and then Gordon crashed into it. Luckily, no passengers were inside. Otherwise, there are going to be lawsuits. That's it. What do we do now? We have to wait before this finish. Well then, it must have been delayed now. Come on, Thomas. We have to wait another hour. Hour. That's what I meant to say. That's it, Fred Boomer. You better come out, and I'll show you what Sodor really is. He's such a pussy. You just never know. Did you just call me a pussy? No offense, like, I know you're gonna say that, Wilson, but I totally understand. Right. But yes, I did, Fred Boomer. And because of you, we won't do the challenge. Ha! Of course I did. Because I wanted to show you what a bad railway this is. But we gotta wait. That's what. You know, I should have been the controller a long time ago. Oh, we'll see about that. On your marks, get set, go! Come on, Thomas, you're almost there. Use your claw for crying out loud! He made it! Yeah, I knew he could make it! No way. Ha! Suck it, Fred Boomer. That's how a really useful engine is. You haven't seen the last of me. Wilson, clean up this mess in the living room and tell your friends to go home. Okay, Dominic. Anyway, I'll be cleaning up this stuff. Dominic's a party pooper.